Yeah man, greetings everyone. Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. I guess it's fair to say the prodigal child has returned. After all, this is the last known address of our beloved Air Jamaica, or national airline. Yes, for all you young ones, Jamaica had its own national carrier and it was named Air Jamaica. Unfortunately, Air Jamaica is not back, so who am I talking about here? I am talking about Caribbean Airlines, who has been absent from Montego Bay for nearly 5 years now. Caribbean Airlines has resumed services to Montego Bay with a bang, with daily non-stop flights between Montego Bay and Fort Lauderdale.
Clear to land, runway 25, wind 330 degrees 7 knots.
And runway 25, Caribbean Airlines at 032.
620, Sangster.
2620 on Alpha, holding point for runway 25.
American 2620 behind landing Boeing 738 Caribbean on null, enter and backtrack, be in position 25.
Traffic clears in sight. We'll be entering runway 25, backtracking to line up and wait. American 2620.
Charlie,
North to ground 1717, Caribbean Airlines 032.
degrees 8 knots.
Runway 25, American 2620.
Airborne 38, contact radar 120.8.
Radar 120.8, American 2620, bye-bye.
8, enter and backtrack in position runway 25.
Taxi 25, United 1628.
American 975, RMP 25.
American 975, Sangster Tower, clear to land, runway 25, wind 340 degrees 7 knots.
Clear to land, runway 25, American 975.
628 airborne 41, contact radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, good day, United 1628.
Seven zero, enter and backtrack in position runway 25.
Backtrack runway 25, wind 270.
Can 975 arrived 43, vacate taxiway Delta, contact ground 121.7.
Alright, we'll go rolling down to Delta, contact ground, American 975.
Tango Charlie, line up and wait, runway 25.
Right, kind of Charlie.
Charlie cleared for takeoff, runway 25, wind 330 degrees, 8 knots.
Up 25, Charlie.
Virgin 165, we are fully established on RNP runway 25.
65 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 25, releasing Airbus 321, traffic parity arrival.
Roger, continue 25, Virgin 165.
Charlie, as soon as you're able to clear the departure path, runway 25.
Charlie.
270, cleared for takeoff, runway 25, wind 330 degrees, 7 knots.
Runway 25, clear wind 270.
Charlie, airborne 41, contact radar 120.8.
That's Molly, 600 Charlie.
Six five, clear to land, runway course on 25, wind 330 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear land, runway 25, Virgin 165.
Airborne 46, contact radar 120.8.
It's clear wind 270. Cheers.
Virgin 165, arrived 48, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7, wind clear.
Yeah, Charlie and ground one clear, Virgin 165, okay.
tower, United 1462, runway 25.
United 1462, Sangster Tower, clear to land, runway 25, wind at 330 degrees, 7 knots.
United 1462.
And 2622, expect a couple minutes delay.
American 2622.
Yankee Juliet November Alpha, we're now right now one for runway 25, and we have traffic on short panel inside.
Juliet November Alpha Sangster Tower, unit number 2 traffic to land, number 1 traffic is United Boeing 737 on short final. Reach to follow number 2, caution wake.
Copy, reach to follow number 2, and we're number 2 to the traffic on overnight.
Yes sir, I'm your number 2 to that traffic.
6 November Alpha.
November Alpha, proceed to final runway 25.
Midfield, and we'll proceed to final runway 25, 6 November Alpha.
United 1462, arrived 51, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
Alright, vacate taxiway Charlie 217, United 1462.
Check for 6 November Alpha.
Wind at 330 degrees, 7 knots.
Copy, 6 November Alpha.
Clear to land, runway 25, wind at 330 degrees, 7 knots.
Runway 25, copy the wind, 6 November Alpha.
American 262 behind landing, Cessna 206, and over the lights, enter and backtrack in position runway 25.
The landing traffic, enter runway 25, back taxi, American 2622.
Alright, fly 4, Biggie taxiway Delta, contact ground 121.7 clear.
So contact ground 121.7 clear, 6 November Alpha.
1915, just outside Dubeg for the RMP-25.
25, wind at 320 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear for takeoff, American 2622.
Continue Delta 1915.
Fire 8, proceed across Charlie.
Two airborne 56, contact radar 120.8.
20.8, American 262.
Runway 15, continue approach, expect landing clearance momentarily.
Continue Delta 1915.
One 901.5, wind at 330 degrees and 9 knots, clear to land runway 25.
Clear to land 25, Delta 1915.
58, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 12 on the small 7 clear.
Okay, Charlie, 21-7, have a good day, Delta 1915.
1 and 15, give way to the southwest and also.
Okay, we'll get way to southwest, Delta 1915.
Channel 983, enter and backtrack into position runway 25.
Air Canada 983, cleared to backtrack to position runway 25.
Land clearance.
Again, Air Canada 983.
I cancel line up clearance for now.
Up clearance now, Air Canada 983, holding short 25.